Welcome to Avina Solutions. Today our topic is we have to get the records from the get records data element in the flow builder. Our we have previously in previous video we have a fine discussion about how to get records from the object via get records data element in the flow builder. So we have a fine theoretical knowledge in the previous video. So in this video we have to discuss about the uh, how to get the records in practical way and how can we populate that auto populate the fields in the record. So our today our task is while creating the lead record in a lead object, while creating the lead record in the lead object. So let us think this is a lead object. So I have to create one record in the lead object. So in the lead object there is a two fields is called, one is company field and another one is possible field. So company field is a simple field which does not have any relationship, but possible account is a lookup field with the account object. So whenever I'm creating the lead record in the lead object, so if the company name, so if the company name is exactly matched with the account name in the account object, so if the company name of the lead object is exactly matched with the account name in the account object, then auto populate the this lookup field in the lead object. So I think you can understand. If you have any doubts, please ask your question in the comment section. So without any delay, let's go to practical sessions. So I simply open my arc. So in the arc, my first task is I want to create one lookup field with the account objects. So I want to create one lookup field with the account object. That's why I'm going to the so right now I don't have any lookup fields with the account object. So now it's time to create one lookup field through the to account object, edit object, and then now we just creating one lookup field with account object. So just go to lookup relationship. Next, so this lookup field is related to the account object. Account object field name. So field name I just give as possible account. So lookup field name. This is lookup field name. Possible account. So simply go to next. Simply go to next. So now we are done with. Now we are successfully create the one lookup field to the account object. That lookup field is called possible account. So just for our confirmation, just check if lookup field is created or not. Yeah. So we successfully created one lookup field with the account object. That lookup field name is possible account. So this is auto populate. So I want to discuss more about this. So our automation is if the company name. So for example, Omega is my company name. If the Omega is my company name, if this company field is exactly matched with the account name, then auto populate. Where is our field? Just refresh it. I didn't see any field, lookup field, and then just refresh the page. So now we have to see one lookup field, that is possible account. So our task is if the company field, for example, if the company is Omega, if the company is exactly matched with the Omega uh, of the account name, then auto populate this lookup field with the account name. Okay, our topic is just to create one omega record in the account object. Account name is omega. So rating is now I successfully created one account record. The account name of account record name is omega. So account name of the this record is omega. So our task is, if I Mr. first name Elish, last name Ontario. The company name is omega. If I give the company name, exactly matched with the account name, then auto populate this possible account lookup field. So now just we hit the lead source is not blank. So review the address on this. Already give the lead source. So this may error may get. Simply I go to lead object and then I disable the trigger, whatever the trigger which stops the creating record. Flow triggers. So error method. So these are the two triggers which are inactive. So I simply these two triggers, and then we have a chance to create. Okay, now it's time to create lead object. Master first name is Alesh, last name is Ontario, company omega. So the company name is exactly matched with the account name. Then auto populate this possible account field. So just create on record. So if you clearly observe, this possible account is not auto populate, auto fill. So now we have to make the automation. If the company name is omega is exactly matched with the account name, then we have to auto populate this possible account field. So for this I am simply go to the lead object. I'm simply go to home and then flows. Then flows. We have to create one new flow for automate that business requirement. So our target is now it's time to create on record trigger flow. So the object is lead. So whenever we creating the lead record, then the trigger will be occurred. Make it as default, and then we get the records. To check the account name with the company name. So check the get records data element, and then label is getting records. So this will This will get the records. These elements, get records elements, fetch the records from the account object. The conditions are met. The conditions are met. Account name. Account name is exactly equals to the S record company name. So this account name is exactly matched with the dollar record, means lead record. In the lead record company name is exactly matched with the account name. Then only we can get the records. We can fetch the records in the descending order and then sort by created date. We have updated the recently created records or recently updated records. Only first record automatically make it as default. And then now up to now we have to trigger one flow whenever the record is created on the lead object, and then we have to get the records from the account object via get records data element, and then we have to update the record to the salesforce database. Then simply go to update records, then possible update means auto populate possible account field. So use the lead record trigger flow whenever the lead is created, and then set the field values possible account. So this is the field which is lookup with the account. So we have to auto populate this field. So already we are records ID. Where is ID? Yeah. So this auto possible account field is auto filled with the account name, and then save flow label name is auto populate lookup field field, and then save. For successfully working out this flow builder, we have to activate this flow will we have to activate this flow, and then go to please check the flow is active or not. Yeah, this flow is active. So just check whether it was working or not. So I'm again creating one record in the lead object. So salutation Mr. and then last name Elish, and the company field is Omega. I already told that. If the company field name is exactly matched with the account name, then auto populate this possible account name. This time I'm not giving any field, so it will auto populate via flow builder. Just check. Yeah, we successfully auto populate this possible account, which is lookup with account. Yeah, thank you for watching this video.